Biology of Fern. The name Fern. Dryopteris. So when we talk about the biology of Fern, we are going to talk about the habitat where it can be found. It can be found in shady environment. It can be found in shady environment. It can be found in moist environment. They are terrestrial. They can be found on land as well. So when we talk about this group, they are, their body is divided into root, stem, and leaves, and we are also going to talk about their life cycle. So when we talk about their life cycle, we are going to talk about their reproduction. But before we talk about their reproduction, we are going to talk about their morphology, their structure, how they look like. So let's talk about the structure. Structure of Dryopteris. So we are the structure. Dryopteris dominant generation is the sporophyte. So we are going to draw the sporophyte as well as the gametophyte. So this is the sporophyte. The sporophyte is the dominant generation. So the structure is something like this. So we have a structure like this. So this is the rhizoid. Adventitious rhizoid for absorption of water. This is the rhizome, the horizontal rhizome, horizontal underground stem. We have the young leaf, the caeciliate, and we have the mature leaf, the ramenta. Okay, then we have the leaves, the pinna. We have the rachis. So those are the parts. So when we talk about the structure of sporophyte, this is sporophyte of Fern. Sporophyte of Fern, Dryopteris. Then we also have the gametophyte. However, the sporophyte generation is the dominant generation. The gametophyte is the heart-shaped protalus. So this structure is structure of love because it has heart. Love was derived from the structure of heart. So this is the point of growth. Then we also have the anterozoid. We have the anterozoid. We have the archegonium there. This is the anterozoid. Then we have the rhizoid. This is spore, rhizoid, unicellular rhizoid. We have the antheridium. That is the male, the antheridia, the male reproductive part, while we have the archegonia. That is the female reproductive part. So this is the structure of protalus. Protalus of Fern, Protalus of Dryopteris. So after this, we are going to understand the forms. This whole structure is just one single form, one front. So this front consists of the rachis and the pinnae because it is, mature front. So we are going to talk about the front. When we talk about the structure of Fern, their body consists of the rhizoid, the rhizome. Rhizome is on the ground, horizontal underground stem, and the mature form is the ramenta, while the young one is the cycinate, which is coil. So the fronds usually produce, sori, and this sori, we're going to talk about the sori. The fronds is also called, sporophyll leaf. So the sporophyll leaf produce sori, and the sori are there in the pinna. So when we say one pinna, we have so this is the structure. When you take the sori out, this is the structure of the sorus, and inside the sorus there is a sporangia. So we have the sporangia like this. The sporangia. So this is the structure of the sorus. And I say inside the sorus we have the placenta, we have the sporangia, we have the indusium, So those are the parts. So the spores are inside the sporangia. So when you take one sporangia out now, structure of sporangia, so inside the sporangia there are a lot of spores. So this is the sporangia where we have the spores. We have the stomium cell, we have the annulus cell, and we have the spores. So this is the structure of the sporangia. So we are going to talk about the life cycle now. As you can see, the structure of the sporophyte, the structure of the Dryopteris, the gametophyte, while this is the sorus. The sorus are born on the sporophyll leaf. On the sorus, there are a lot of sporangia. So this is the structure of the sporangia. So when we talk about the life cycle, let me quickly explain the life cycle. The dominant generation is the sporophyte. So let's talk about the life cycle now. So the life cycle is completed via alternation of generation. So they have alternation of generation. So when you talk about alternation of generation in Fern, the sporophyte generation is dominant, while the gametophyte generation depends on it. So when you talk about the sporophyte generation consists of the root, consists of the stem, consists of the leaves. So when we talk about this sporophyte, the leaves are called sporophyll leaves. So the leaves are, they usually bear a dark brown structure when they are mature. And this dark brown structure is called the sori, or singular, sorus. So they bear sporophyll leaves, that is spore-bearing leaves. That is the kind of leaves they bear. So the sporophyll leaves bears a dark brown structure called sorus. sorus or sora in plural. So this sorus consists of the sorus usually produce the sporangium. So say the dominant generation is the sporophyte. Take note, alternation of generation. Sporophyte is the dominant generation. The sporophyte produces the root, the stem, and the leaves. We know that the leaves are called sporophytes, and then when they mature, when they mature, they produce a sorus, a dark brown structure. So this sori usually bears sporangia. So the sori bears sporangia, and this sporangia is the one that bears the spores. But the sori is covered by a structure. The sori consists of the placenta. As you can see, this is the structure of the sori. The sori consists of the placenta. It consists of the endosome. The endosome is the one that protects the sporangia, and it also consists of the sporangia. In fact, the sori, the main work of the sori is to produce the sporangia, but the sporangia is protected by the endosome. So, when we talk about the sporangia produce the spores. So, the sporangia, this is the structure of the sporangia. The sporangia produce spores, and they are homosporous, one kind of spores. And these sporangia, the spores are covered by annulus and stomium cell, as you can see. So when there is mechanical action, such as wind, when the spores mature, mechanical action such as wind will cause the annulus and stomium cells to break open. The annulus and stomium cell will break open, and there will be, discharge of these spores. The spores will be discharged, and the spores will be dispersed by wind. So under favorable condition, the spores will germinate to produce a heart-shaped prothallus. That is the young gametophyte. So when the spores germinate in a favorable environment, it will develop to a heart-shaped prothallus. That is why it's an alternation of generation, conversion of sporophyte to gametophyte. So now this is a young gametophyte, the prothallus. So the prothallus, when the gametophyte becomes mature, it will develop into antherizoid and the archegonia. So the archegonia is the female, sex organ which produces the female gamete, which is the egg, while the antheridia is the male sex organ which will produce the male gamete, which is the antherozoid or the sperm. So the prothallus is green and it has a rhizoid for attachment. So when the archegonia produces the egg, the antheridia produce the sperm. The sperm are usually, minute, and they are bacillate. They can move. They are motile. So the sperm will swim in a film of water, and it will swim toward the base of the, prothallus. So the archegonia, that is where fertilization process takes place. So the sperm will swim and move to the archegonia to fertilize with the egg. So fertilization takes place in the archegonia. So when the sperm move from the antheridia to the archegonia, there will be fertilization. So after fertilization, there will be formation of egg. So this egg will now, develop at the base to form the formation of zygote. That is after the egg and the sperm has fused together, the formation of zygote, and this zygote will develop at the base, and at the end of the day, to form a thick coat to become oospore, and this oospore will grow to become the sporophyte, which have the root, the stem, and the leaves. That is the forms. So when we talk about the alternation of generation in the life of Fern, we have the sporophyte generation, that is the mature Fern. Sporophyte generation. Fern plant. So we have the leaves, that is the fronds. The fronds bear the sori, and the sori bears the sporangium, and inside the sporangium there are formation of spores, and spores will now be released. When the spores are dispersed, they will get a favorable environment and they germinate. So the spores will germinate to the prothallus, young prothallus. So this young prothallus will develop into a mature gametophyte. So we have the male and the female. So when we have the gametophyte, we have the archegonium and the antheridia. So we have the antheridia will produce the antherozoid, which is the sperm, while the archegonium will produce the egg. So there will be fertilization at the inside the archegonium. There will be fertilization, and the product will be the zygote. The zygote will be formed. So after the zygote has been formed, the zygote will develop into a thick coat to become oospore, and this will give rise to the Fern. So this is the life cycle of Fern. So the sporophyte generation and the gametophyte. The gametophyte, so we have the life cycle. The spore will develop into the main. So let's say this is a sporophyte. 2N, and this is a gametophyte. The spore is still 2N. So this is sporophyte, this is the gametophyte. So there is conversion of sporophyte to gametophyte, and there's also conversion of gametophyte to sporophyte. That is how the life cycle alternates. That is the meaning of alternation of generation. And what are the importance of this alternation of generation in this plant? One is that it allows the organism to live in two distinct generations. Two, it enhances the survival because these two distinct generations can survive in different environments. And the other one, significant is that the sexual reproduction stage can, the gametophyte carry out sexual reproduction, as you can see the fusion of gametes, while the sporophyte carry out asexual reproduction, sporangia from the spores. So that is differences, and it also allows the haplodization in sporophyte and diploidization in gametophyte generation.